Hi, I'm Sam from Hanko ActTrader and welcome back to another how-to video. And in this video we're going to show you how to subscribe and unsubscribe from different instruments within the Hanko ActTrader platform. So let's get started. First things first is what is subscribing or unsubscribing from instruments? Well, every broker has a long list of different assets or instruments that you can trade. However, most traders don't want to trade everything that's available to them. Some people like to trade on just a few pairs. Maybe they like the big major pairs like Euro US dollar or Pound US dollar. Or they like something more exotic, but they don't really like trading the major pairs. Or they like trading metals or commodities like gold, silver, etc. Whatever strategy, whatever type of trader you are, it is good to basically formulate a list of your favorite pairs or assets or instruments that you like to trade. And we're going to show you how to set that up. So if we look on the left hand side here, you're going to see straight away a few of the big major instruments that people like to trade. You've got the Euro US dollar, Pound US dollar, etc. But if we go to this tab right here where it says instruments, we have the full list of what we are subscribed to. Okay, and as you can see, there's quite a few pairs right there, quite a few instruments to go through. And realistically speaking, a lot of these we're not really interested in trading. Well, maybe you are, but me personally, I might not be interested in trading the Euro New Zealand dollar, for example. Okay, so I might want to unsubscribe from that. Okay, just not have it there in my view. But should I ever want to come back and ever trade a Euro New Zealand dollar, I can get it back like that. So how do you do that? Well, if we go to the instrument catalog right at the top here, we're going to see a full list of everything that's available to you from Forex, metals, indices, oil, and crypto. So within FX, you can see when it's green, we are subscribed to it. If it's not green, so hollow, white in the center, we are not subscribed to it. And as you can see, most Forex pairs, we are subscribed to it. So quite a few. We might want to get rid of a few of these. So maybe we'll get rid of Euro CZK. Let's unsubscribe from that one. Boom, that's gone from the list now. Okay, and we could do that with any pair that we don't want. Okay, so you could literally just have a few pairs that you really like. For example, say you want Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar, great, but you're not really too interested in the Euro AUD or Euro Aussie dollar. You can unsubscribe from that one. We can get rid of Euro CAD. And we'll get rid of Euro Swiss franc. And keep in mind, if you look on the side here on the background, you're going to see this get smaller as I hit unsubscribe because it's removing them in real time. Okay, but say that you're happy with all those Forex pairs, you can also go ahead and look at different metals that we're subscribed to. We are subscribed to silver, US dollar, gold as well. We're subscribed, great. Indices, you can see which indices, so things like the NAS 100 or the S&P 500 or US 30, whatever it might be, whatever indices you like trading, you can subscribe, unsubscribe to them again. So for example, say we are not really interested in the NAS US dollar, we can get rid of that. Sorry, I didn't actually click it. It's unsubscribed. And oil as well. And also crypto. We've got Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. Right? So these are all the assets or instruments that the broker that's available to you. So you can trade whichever one you like, and you can subscribe and unsubscribe. So your list here isn't as big. Now I'm not going to go ahead and do every single one I don't want, as it's just an example, it's just a tutorial, but I'm sure you get the idea that all you got to do is go to the instrument catalog, right at the top here, find which instrument you do or don't want, depending on which way round. So if you want the Pound Canadian dollar, just make sure it's in green, but if you don't want the Pound Swiss franc, we're going to go ahead and click unsubscribe. And the Pound Swiss franc won't bother you anymore. So if you're on this page here under instruments and we look now for find instrument, Great British Pound, CHF or Swiss franc, it can't find it because it's not on the list. We are unsubscribed from it. Okay. But if I search for Swiss franc JPY, Swiss franc yen, so CHF and JPY, it's found it right there for me, okay, because I am subscribed to it. So I hope that kind of makes sense. It's very straightforward. It's really just more for organizational purposes. It's nice to keep your charts clean. It's also nice to keep your watch list or what you're subscribed to clean as well. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you again very soon. Thank you.